In this lesson, we learn how to construct angle 135 degrees. And this one is very straightforward. We can get 135 by adding 90 and 45. So we construct angle 90. First of all, and to do that, we start by rolling a line. We then get a reference point where we want the 90 to be. Let's assume I want my 90 to be here. Put a reference point there. Then with a pair of compasses, place the stick point of the compass on the reference line, adjust the radius to a convenience point, and make an arc. With the arc made, you can now move the stick point to this point where the arc meets the line, and make another arc up here. Shift with the same radius, place a stick point here, and cut the arc. Where the two arcs meet, I will join it to my reference line. Let's manage this. So I'll manage that. So if here is 90 and here is 90, for 135, when we bisect this, we have 45, 45. The 45 added to 90 will give us 135. But to bisect this angle here, let me first of all increase this. Place a stick point here. Make an arc. And place the stick point here. And cut the arc. Where the two arcs meet, when you join that, and this angle like this, all the way from here is 135. Let's confirm that with a protractor. You see, there is 135 right there.